Hi, I'm Sarah from Sealy. I'd like to introduce the Sealy Conform line, our all-foam mattresses. These mattresses offer custom full-body Sealy support and conforming comfort, so you can get the rest you need. These beds deliver a hug-you type of support while providing personalized conforming comfort. Sealy Conform mattresses use a combination of our highly engineered advanced foam, memory foam, and gel foam. To make sure you sleep in comfort, we use Sealy Comfort Sense and Sealy Cool Gel Memory Foam in the top layers of the mattress, in a range of feels from firm to ultra soft. And we include important features like climate control to help promote a more consistent sleep temperature. In select Sealy mattresses, we use our exclusive Posturepedic Technology to deliver stable, all-over support with reinforced support in the middle area of the mattress. This area holds the heaviest part of your body, so you get enhanced support where you need it most. The Sealy Conform line includes a choice of models in every price range, so you can find the foam mattress that's right for you. But rest assured that every Sealy Conform mattress delivers the personalized support of layers of foam for enveloping comfort, so you can get a truly relaxing night's sleep.